We're at Ossington Strip. Ossington. Keep forgetting if it's an avenue or a street. I'll fix that after. Ossington. And this is my favorite clothing store. The latest scoop. I like this location. I like the layout in here. Let's have a look. Always go towards the black. Like a denim jacket shirt. Dome sleeves. The knit doesn't feel strong. Wide legs. Back. A bit sheer, but it comes with a tank. These are painter jeans, like back in the day. Sheer top. How much? $82. Nice. Are the ones I'm getting, and the brand name is this one, the Elsie, right? Mav, but then the name of the
actual, oh yeah, Elsie.
Okay, yeah, you can pull it out, and yeah, the sales team here is amazing. They're very helpful, and this is what's selling me, because you can buckle it and then they'll gather, and then I don't have to hem them up. Yeah. Amazing. And it's an awesome fit. The fabric is really nice. That's what's selling me. And the retail price, they're $148, which is for the brand. That's the price point of it. Good quality. And then the next one, And I'm getting these ones. These ones, the pockets are different. Is there, I forget, there is a name for this type of pocket. I can't remember. Sheila. So same brand, Mavi, and then Sheila. Okay. And the same price point, $148. Your raw hem. So if I want to, I just cut it. I don't need to hem it.
Exactly.
So, or I could hem it if I want.
Yeah.
Right. But
You can do whatever you want.
right. Got it. Okay. So those are what I'm getting. So yeah, I love the store. I always find something here. They have a lot of choices, and I love this location. The layout is much better than the other ones. View of it, everything. So yeah, Queens, or this is, we're on Ossington Strip. They do have a location on Queen Street West, uptown on Yonge Street, other locations. So check them out, the latest scoop. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, I have 4 channels all together. All my content coincides with each other, so be sure to check out my channels so you can see the continuation of each presentation or live streams. My main channel is Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. The next channel is Multitask with Lizzo C. Food channel is What's Cooking with Lizzo C. There I do food reviews. I will live stream at home, some baking live streams. Check that out. And my latest one is Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So check them all out. Stay connected. And thanks for watching.